Hi friends, in this video I would be showing storage settings. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to storage. Here you can see the internal storage. The total capacity of this internal storage is 26 GB. That is the size of available space. Let me select internal storage. Here you can see the size of apps 1.7 GB. That is what apps are used. Photos and videos are used 26 MB. Go down. Here you can see cache data. This is a cache data of all apps installed in this device. Select this cache data. From here, on a single tap, you can clear cache data of all apps. For that, you can use this option. Go back. Then here you can see the available space 23 GB. Total space is 26 minus 23, 3 GB. That is the size of used space. Okay, go back. Let me go to this free up storage option. From here also we can clear cached data of all apps. Select this option, clear cache. From here also we can clear. This is another option to clear cache data of all apps. Go back, go to uninstall apps. From here we can uninstall 3P third-party apps that we installed. For example, Netflix, select it. From here we can uninstall or clear cache, clear data, force stop. So all these operations, notifications, permissions, all these we can change here. Okay. So these are the storage settings. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.